Hello everyone, in this video I'll be covering the 707s in 500 scales. Actually the 500 scales 707, 717, 727 and the 737s, because I don't have that many of them, so it makes sense for me to chuck them all in one video. So this is the first one, an Air France 707, followed by a TMA of Lebanon 707, beautiful model. Air India 707 next, followed by a Romanian government 707. Next one up, a Air Seychelles 707. Another beautiful one. Unfortunately, I've only got one 717, which is Eyeball. I don't know why or how that happened, how I managed to only buy one. It's probably because then I bought more DC9s and whatever. So 727 is next, a very beautiful, a special one for me, because I spent a lot of time hunting it down. A 727 freighter, Air Gemini, beautiful. A Royal Jet 727-200, you can tell the difference in length. That's a 100, same as this JAL example, that's a 200. So that's the Royal 200 and the JAL 100, which has quite a lot of detail for a Herpa 727 in 500 scale. Love this one. Moving on to the 737s, I'll start off with the Lauda 737. Blue panorama next. Well, Royal to complete the 727 and the 737. WestJet. This one is actually a quite good model, quite a lot of detail from Herpa, as opposed to, let's say, this Germania example, which is quite stubby. You can tell it's one of the old molds. Next one up, we'll start with the Southwest. That's one livery. They're quite famous for their special ones. That's another Southwest, different livery. And another Southwest, the whale livery. And another Southwest, the bear on. Nice titles. Olympic Airways 737. And then a Lux Air 737, and the last one's in 500 scale Sterling in 5 different colors. They're all 800s. So I've got the blue one, yellow one, red, light blue, and green. Yeah, that's the last one. Yeah, I stopped buying these small, like 717, 72 and 72s and 73s because of their size mainly. I swapped to the 400 scale. There's much more detail. So yeah, that's the 73s and the 72s and the 707s. I'll see you in the next video. Ta.